Hey everyone, Raider here. Hope you're all doing great and having a fantastic day. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, the 11-inch version. We're going to go through the specs real quick, and we're also going to run it through some tests. We're going to take this bad boy outside, and we're going to test out that new extra brightness it has. It goes up to 750 nits. We're also going to drench it in some water to see if it lives up to the new IP68 dust and water resistance rating. We're going to check out the latency on the S Pen because apparently it's been improved this year. And we're also going to check out the audio because it's apparently 20% better as well. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get this bad boy unboxed. All right, so in yesterday's video, that took me forever. Let's try to get to the cut to the chase here, so to speak. Let's get to it. I am super excited for this tablet. I mean, I've been using, let me grab this real quick. I've been using the Ultra here for the past year and a half, and it's been great. But I'm really looking forward to having a smaller tablet for around the couch and for when I'm taking notes for the channel. So hopefully we got this good here. There we go. We should finally have it now. All right, let's check this bad boy out. Put this off to the side. Oh, it's just a baby. Oh my gosh, I love it. So I've had the 12.4 Tab S7 Plus, obviously the Ultra that I just showed you. This is my first time getting an 11-inch tablet from Samsung. Let me see here. There's probably a proper etiquette way of opening this, and then there's going to be the I don't give a crap because I'm shooting a video way to open it. Here we go. All right, let's get after this thing. Wow, that is nice. Here we go. Look at this bad boy. Let's get it in shot here. Make sure it's in frame. It's looking really nice, super thin. We got a 13 megapixel shooter on the rear. We've got a 12 megapixel on the front, right in center. We have a new improved battery this year too, up to 8400 mAh, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. We're finally getting dynamic AMOLED on this one, dynamic AMOLED 2X. Like I said, the speakers are supposed to be improved, and now you can put the S Pen, you can attach it either way, right? So we can grab the S Pen and go this way now, and we can go this way now. I'm telling you, this Tab S9 has like the most improvements out of the other tablets. The other ones didn't get a battery increase, and they didn't get an improvement to the screen. We get all that on this small model here. So you know what? Let's go ahead and start doing some testing. I'm going to grab the outdoor case. If you haven't seen this, let me grab it real quick. This is from Samsung, the official one. All right, so let's go ahead and put this bad boy in this case. Let's see how easy it is to fit in here. I'm not really sure. First time trying it. Let's get the top in. Cool. Let's see if we can get the rear in pretty easy. Well, that is a tight fit around it. That's good. That's a good thing. Oh, yeah, that's legit. Let's put the stand down here, see how it looks. Yeah, that's nice. Let's get it up like that. That is cool. I'm digging this stand already. All right, I'm going to get this thing set up, and we're going to take this bad boy outside and start doing some tests. All right, we're outside. I've got adaptive brightness turned on, and here's what we're looking at. 750 nits, full bore with the sunlight beating down on it. Let's take a look at what it looks like in the shade real quick. All right, now we're in the shade, full brightness. Actually, let me crank it all the way up. We've got adaptive brightness on. It's wanting to turn down a little bit. That's what it looks like maxed out in the shade. So apparently we have a proper IP68 dust and water resistance rating this year. You already know, don't you? You already know. Let's do it. Come on, don't let me down, Samsung. Give it the test. It's drenching. Tablet is drenching. Still running. Even threw up my Google screen there. Sorry for all the background noise. Let's go ahead and head back into the studio. All right, we're back inside. And after that water test, Samsung throws up a nice message saying not to plug anything into the USB port because it's wet. So I guess that's going to go away after it dries out. So that's pretty awesome. So one thing that's new for this year is the S Pen has a reduced latency. We're now down to 2.6 milliseconds, which puts it right in line with the Tab S8 Ultra. So let's compare them. Let's make sure that Samsung's not giving us some marketing crap. All right, here is the Tab S9 shot in slow motion. What you're looking for, some trails behind it, you know, the ink not keeping up. That's pretty good. All right, let's go ahead and throw up the Tab S8 Ultra now. Looks about the same to me. I don't see any difference, and that's a good thing. So sweet, we have a lower latency S Pen this year, putting it in line with the other models. Another thing that's supposed to be improved this year is the audio, so let's go ahead and check that out real quick. All right, I've got Dolby Atmos turned on, a video pulled up from my drone channel that has some music in it. Let's see what this bad boy can do. Let's crank it up. Holy cow, that gets loud. Just got my lav mic sitting here. Let's hear what it sounds like when it really gets into it. This is YouTube music, so there's no copyright strikes or any of that. All right, let's hear some drums and stuff. Come on. Whoa, that's loud. Yeah, this is louder than the Tab S8 Ultra. Wow. All right. I've heard enough and I'm happy. Dude, that is sick. All right, so the audio, 100% improved, even compared to the Tab S8 Ultra. What are my first impressions of this tablet? So far, I'm in love. This is my favorite device out of all of them. I mean, I haven't got the Fold 5 in with the case and all that, but I am more stoked for the S9 than anything I've got so far. I mean, this thing looks awesome. It's going to be perfect for around the house. So this is just a quick look at the Tab S9. We're going to have a lot more videos on this one to come. That's for darn sure. If you have any questions about this tablet or about this video, please drop them down in the comments section below. I really do appreciate your time. And as always, thanks for watching.